With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If we talk about this given question is a school organized an educational tour to two places. First one was to a thermal power station and the second one to a factory of dry cells. Okay. The engineer at the power station explained the students how electric power is generated and transmitted to the city. The manager at the dry cell factory took the students to the factory and explained them the importance of dry cells in our daily life. Now, the question is AC voltage generated all over the world has a frequency of. So, normally the AC voltage which is generated in most of the countries is 50 hertz. The frequency of AC voltage which is generated in most of the countries is 50 hertz. Okay. Now, what exactly we mean by hertz? That means in 1 second there will be 50 cycles. Okay, there will be 50 times change in direction of the voltage. Okay, or alternating current. So these are cycles per second, 50 cycles per second. This is the standard frequency of alternating voltage in most of the countries. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.